everyone, thank you for joining me today. My session is called From Data to Insights, Making Mass Personalization a Reality. My name is Junmei, and I am the SMB Account Executive at Amazon Web Services. In my capacity working with SMBs at AWS for the past 4 years, I have had the privilege to work with SMBs across different industries to help them achieve their business outcomes on AWS and scale their business with AWS cloud technologies. One particular business solution that is close to heart for me is data analytics and personalization. Today, I'll be sharing with you how you can leverage on your data to drive insights for your business and make personalization a reality for your customers. In this presentation, I will cover why personalization, challenges with data, how to build personalization, and share a customer reference of Boost, an AWS ASEAN customer, to provide you with a call to action. Let's begin. To share why personalization is important, let's start with a scenario. Imagine this, it's your birthday, and it's time to online shop for a new birthday outfit. Who doesn't want to look good and have new clothes? Well, I know I do. But after scrolling and scrolling, nothing comes up on your page that is something you like, and in fact, nothing is recommended for you. Are you frustrated? Well, I'll be honest, it frustrates me when brands don't provide personalization. And if I spend too much time scrolling and scrolling, I'll tend to look elsewhere, try another brand, try another app, and guess what? Research has shown nearly 74% of online customers get frustrated with websites when content like promotions, advertisements that appears has nothing to do with their interests. In our world today, personalization is truly everywhere and something we all experience across different industries like online retail, media, gaming, and more. The rapid development of technology and growing amount of time people spend online has increased the ability of brands to deliver more sophisticated experiences, and so has the intrinsic expectation and demand from customers in receiving more personalized experiences with the brand they engage with. They, or also we, expect frictionless and curated experiences across different channels during our entire customer journey. In fact, 63% of customers see personalization as the standard of service, and market leaders are making investments in personalization to meet customer expectations. Okay, so we get it. Customers expect personalization. But should companies do it? The answer is, as you can guess, yes. Delivering curated and relevant customer experiences enables organizations to improve business outcomes, such as acquiring and retaining customers in this crowded digital environment, increasing engagement across different channels measured by click-through rate, email open rate, time spent on application, and more. Driving efficiencies of digital marketing campaigns and increasing average revenue per user. Improving discoverability, which is particularly important for organizations with large catalogs, where new products and content is consistently being added. Studies show that organizations who have implemented personalized recommendations and triggered communications have realized 5% to 15% increases in revenue and 10% to 30% increases in marketing spend efficiency. With all good things I've shared about personalization, what could be holding businesses back from adopting the solution? One of the biggest challenges is with data. In order to achieve personalization, businesses need data about their customers from many different sources so that they understand the customer's journey, what they like, what they don't like, and more. However, the current analytics landscape that most businesses have today is in silos and doesn't scale. This means businesses start losing customer 360 views because it's hard to run analytics when you have to go through so many different data silos. For example, we may have purchased data in the ERP with the IT team and social media clickstream data with the marketing team. Many times, these two data sets are not consolidated and understood together. Not looking at them together means we're losing insights on how many customers click on what products and which product did they eventually buy. Only by combining and analyzing the data together can companies understand customer behaviors on the sites. And this means marketing teams can come up with new, relevant, and targeted campaigns. That's the type of flywheel and continuation that businesses want. To remove data silos, companies are moving towards a data lake architecture. To make it easier, customers are looking to store their data in one single repository, which we call the data lake. With a data lake, customers can store all their structured and unstructured data using open data format of their choice, manage their data securely at scale and at low cost. With that, it opens the door to exploring analytics and machine learning, and of course, personalization. AWS offers the broadest range of 15 purpose-built database services. These databases are optimized to give you performance, scale, and availability that you need to support your most demanding workloads. We believe in giving customers the right tool for the right job so that they can spend less money, be more productive, and change the customer experience. Here, you can see companies across many different industries and sizes that uses AWS. We have startups like Airbnb, Netflix, to medical companies like Pfizer. Think about your Netflix experience. How do you like when they give you recommendations? Can you imagine not having them and being clueless about what next drama or movie to watch? That would be horrible. To avoid the horrors of our life and not having personalization, let's talk about how to build personalization. To simplify, there are two main ways to build personalization on AWS. The first would be to use a fully managed AI/ML service called Amazon Personalize, which is API-driven and allows development teams to use this in applications even without ML expertise. The second would be what I would like to describe as do it yourself by building up a data lake and running your own analytics and machine learning algorithms. Before I share more about the first way of using Amazon Personalize, I'd like to share some background on how AWS came up with this particular service. Amazon.com is a pioneer of personalization with over 20 years of experience. Through our experiences, we recognize that different personalization strategies are needed for different use cases. Our goal is to enable organizations to leverage on our learnings and make it easy for them to use machine learning at scale. With that, we launched Amazon Personalize to our AWS customers. So, how does Amazon Personalize work? You start by providing user and item data to personalize. Examples of data would be activities of your users, items of your users, details of your items, and details of your customers. Once we have the data, you can implement a customized personalization recommendation system in just a few clicks without the burden of building and training and deploying a do-it-yourself machine learning solution. It's called fully managed because Amazon Personalize provisions the necessary infrastructure and manages the entire ML pipeline, including processing of data, identifying features, using the best algorithms, training, optimizing, and hosting the models. All of these has been built up for you and ready for you to use. This is personalization, and that is an API call away. Personalization impacts multiple industries, and Amazon Personalize can be used for a variety of use cases, such as delivering unique homepage experience, enhancing marketing communications, highlighting new product and content offerings, refining similar product and content recommendations. Many organizations across industries are seeing meaningful business impact using Amazon Personalize. For example, Pomelo Fashion, a global e-commerce service based in Southeast Asia, had a 400% return on investments after leveraging Amazon Personalize for their Just For You recommendations carousel. Another way to build personalization is to do it yourself by first building a data lake on AWS, as we talked about earlier. With the data lake, your very own data analysts and data scientists can start preparing, building, training, and then deploying your own machine learning algorithms for personalization. I'd like to share a customer story with you now. This is about personalization at Boost. Boost is Malaysia's leading homegrown lifestyle e-wallet that aims to revolutionize the way customers transact on a daily basis. They started in 2017 originally as a platform that digitalized one of the telco's core services, which is the way prepaid users topped up their mobile credit. Fast forward to now, 2021, they are more than just an e-wallet and payments company. They are a lifestyle e-wallet. To date, they have 8.8 million Boost users who can pay at over 213,000 merchant touchpoints nationwide in Malaysia. One of Boost's focus was to delight customers with cutting-edge technologies. They recognized that data analytics and machine learning would help improve the customer's experience on their mobile app. However, they faced four main challenges. Their data was complex and fragmented, making it complicated and time-consuming for their analysts to extract and combine data. This complexity meant that they were not able to meet the business needs in time, and internally, they lacked a customer 360 consolidated view throughout the business and many different customer touchpoints. Boost, together with AWS and Aspire Next, an AWS Advanced Partner who recently also won the ASEAN Analytics Machine Learning Partner of the Year award, came together to help address the challenges that Boost was facing due to data silos. The first phase was to build a data lake, and this was done by ingesting structured and unstructured data from over 50 different sources and databases, such as merchant data, digital marketing data, and more, into Amazon Simple Storage Service, also known as Amazon S3. Most customers in AWS Cloud use Amazon S3 as their storage and data lake solution because it has the most functionality and unmatched availability, durability, and scalability. With Amazon S3, they were able to scale their data storage for this existing data set, but also the future. In the second phase, once data was in one central repository, Boost could run different types of analytics, from dashboards and visualizations to big data processing, real-time analytics, and of course, machine learning to guide better marketing decisions. By moving to a data lake architecture and building personalization on AWS, they achieved four main positive business outcomes. They improved retention with 50% more active users and reduced churn by 15%. They were able to improve customer experience, and marketing campaigns went up by 65%. The internal teams were able to generate reports with at least 99% accuracy for all requests, and data requests went up by 4 times. Overall, customer spend on the app increased by 17%. After this project, Sonique Mohin Syed, AVP Commercials, Insights and Analytics at Boost, had this to share. He said, "Our ultimate goal is to enable targeting and personalization to each user, and we believe the steps we've taken with AWS today will enable us in helping each customer feel like truly valued individuals." I hope by sharing the 2 ways to building personalization on AWS, has given you an idea on how you can embark on this journey for your business and customers. As a call to action, I would urge you to think about how personalization can help your business, remembering that 63% of customers see personalization as the standard of service, and market leaders are making investments in personalization to meet customer expectations. In addition, as you join the AWS Summit to learn, and you can keep the learning going after the summit with the resources from AWS Training and Certification, we offer many free and on-demand digital courses, as well as virtual instructor-led training. Lastly, AWS is here to help you and your team to explore personalization use cases. We can work with you on proof of concepts or brainstorm ideas with you. So please feel free to reach out to us via our Contact Us page, or feel free to email me so I can connect you with the right people. I've come to the end of my presentation, and I hope it has been valuable for you. Thank you, and please spare a few minutes to complete the session survey with your feedback.